What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got a quick video I thought some of you guys might find interesting. I'm going to show you how to install a Bluetooth radio on your race car. It doesn't have to be a Miata. It doesn't have to be, it could be any vehicle it would work on. So if you're an idiot like me and you went down the rabbit hole going full race car and you gutted your interior, you deleted your factory radio, or maybe you just want to have a clean radio setup that you can't see looking into the car, I'm going to show you how I did it. So it's like 3 easy steps. You're going to need some speakers, some speaker wire, and a Bluetooth adapter module, basically radio. I'll put a link below in the description to the one I got. I got it on Amazon. It was like, I think 30 bucks. It worked really, really well. So first things first, what you're gonna wanna do is mount your speakers. You guys may already have speakers mounted. The Bluetooth adapter I'm using only works for 2 speakers. I'm sure they make multiple ones that you can link up multiple speakers, or maybe you can make it work with this one. But I'm just installing 2 speakers in my car, and as you can see, I am putting them on the back shelf of my Miata. And once you have them securely mounted down with basically some kind of bracket you can make, I would then go ahead and hide the speaker wire. And basically, once you have the speakers where you want it, you're going to want to run your speaker wires to where you plan on mounting your Bluetooth adapter. So in my case, I put mine inside my center console, and I JB welded a piece of metal to the inside, and then I basically, the bottom of the Bluetooth adapter has magnets on it, and basically it sticks to the magnet, sticks to the metal, so that way it doesn't swish around when I'm driving inside the car. Next, you want to go ahead and build a quick little wiring harness. I basically just took 2 wires, threw it in some a kind of protective sleeve, and basically you're going to run it to basically a 12-volt power source. In my case, I have mine all hooked up in my center console on my dash, or not my dash, basically my Tombstone Miata. So once you got all your wires ran, you can run it back all to where you plan on placing the Bluetooth module. And in my case, like I said, I put mine in the center console. And as you can see, you kind of just plug it all in, wire it up. 2 speakers work for this one, and the power cable. So once you get it all hooked up, you can then go to your phone, Bluetooth settings, once you turn the car on, and it's called H-DIY audio, and connect to it, and there you go. It's pretty simple. You can play music.
My friends are degenerates, but I never.
So as you guys can see, it plays music. It works pretty well. You can't tell where it's coming from, like where the radio's at. I had people ask me all the time, do you have a radio in your car? And I go, yeah, I do. It's just a Bluetooth adapter, and you can't even tell. I'm honestly, if you can just hide the speakers and get like a more low profile or door speakers, it would work great. And you'd never even know you had a radio in your car. So yeah, that's basically how I run music in my Miata drift car. It's simple, it works, it's cheap, which is the most important thing. I'm not trying to spend a lot of money on a quality radio and quality speakers. The speakers I got in my car came with my car. They're basically like a 6x9, I think. Almost look like a house speaker, but it works. Like I said, it's cheap, and it gets the music in the car. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me below. But yeah, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm keeping it short and sweet, and see you on the next one. Later.